with AI Tech Solutions doing a review of the Google Nexus 7 2013 version tablet. It's Wi-Fi only, 16 gigabytes of memory. We're going to delve deeper into the features, and we're also going to talk about customization and how this awesome piece of hardware can be yours, and how you can get a customized one as well. So we'll be going on to the review portion right now. With the Google Nexus 7 tablet by Seisu, 2013 version. This is the 16 gigabit Wi-Fi only version. And it's running a Android system of 4.4, the KitKat version, brand new, completely updated. So the way you can tell that is if you go to a tablet, about Android version, it shows 4.4.2, the very latest. Also, you're going to have we've put a custom kernel, the Elemental X 2.6 custom kernel on here, because stock out of the box, to turn it on, you press the button on the right-hand side of the device, which is very hard to reach when it's sitting down, turn it off and on. What we've done is we've put with that custom kernel, we've put the double tap to wake, just like an LG phone, and swipe to sleep. So if you swipe it to sleep, and you double tap to wake it. So anytime at any point that you want to put the tablet to sleep, you swipe the keys at the bottom, you double tap to wake it up. It doesn't come that way out of the box, it's all custom. A Snapdragon 800 quad-core processor, so it is lightning fast. You can customize it, move the apps to wherever you want them to be moved. You can put them in the folders and group them just like any other Android operating system and bring it back. We also have put a custom Ubuntu installer, dual boot installer, so when Ubuntu comes out in April, you'll be able to just choose the channel and you'll be able to install. This tablet has a beautiful HD display, full 1080p. You can get right on your Netflix, and you can watch your latest Netflix movie in full 1080p resolution. And it's completely high def, and it's got a surprisingly good sound quality to it as well. And you can sit here and watch your movie, go back, whatever you need to do. You have your list of apps. If you want to pop back in, you just press this button here, your menu app. List through all your previously used applications. You can also close them so it's not taking up as much RAM. And it's a really smooth transition. As you see, you can go pop back and forth between any of the applications that you want, and it still has the same swipe to sleep, tap to wake. You can also put your custom lock features like any other device. You can put different custom ROMs because it has been unlocked. It's already been rooted. You can go right into this the ROM box toolbox, which is one of my favorite applications, because you can find any of the other apps that are out there and completely install them if you choose to. Let's grant this permission, and that's your super user tool. It allows you to use custom applications that the phone or the tablet will not let you use. So featured for this device is AOPIC, CryOgenMod, Paranoid Android, which is an awesome system, and Slim ROM, which is basically for minimalist. It has the minimum features, so you don't have to worry about lag or any of that. It also has you can get Pac-Man or any of these other ROMs that are out there for free, and you can flash these on, and you can make the software your own. It also has through Google, the Google Play Store. If you want to read a book, it has an excellent display for reading. It's really smooth, really quick. It even saves your place when you're done. Just tap on the screen again, brings up your menu, and you're right back into it. And it's a really cool tablet. I recommend buying it. These are on sale right now. Another Android device. Check your emails, however you want to do that. The Google Play Store is on there, obviously. And it's a really cool device, definitely worth your time, the 7-inch display. Google Now is another really cool feature where you can actually customize it for whatever you want. If you're watching something on TV that's also connected to your Wi-Fi network, if you have a smart TV, you can just click listen. It'll tell you everything about the show you're watching. You can set up for your favorite sports shows to be use nearby places. It will pop up automatically for you, gives you the weather, and Google Now is a really cool option that Google came out with. If you want to ask it something, you say, "Okay, Google," and it'll recognize your speech, and it'll keep going and find whatever you want to find. So Google Now is a really cool part of the device. You have your weather, customize your widgets. Okay. Cool. And this is the gaming part of the review. We're going to show you how well the processor handles a race car video game, and we're going to talk a little bit about the display. You'll be able to check out the display. So. It's got a gyroscope in it so that you can it can read your movements left and right, up and down. It's got an accelerometer in it, so you can, if you're going to track your fitness for any reason on this as well. It's got a really nice display, as you can see, for gaming. Beautiful HD display, and it's really responsive. So just playing at the game Asphalt 8 just to show off some of the graphics and handling of this device. As you can see, it responds really well. The gyroscope works really well. The graphics are really amazing. And compared to the more expensive devices that are out there, this is hands down the best value out there because of how good the graphics are, how fast the processor is, and how easy it is for you to get a custom one with AI Tech Solutions. So if you're not really into being able to customize it yourself, give us a lookup, and we can get you a device, smartphone or tablet, whatever you prefer. If you want to go back, swipe down and hit your home button. It's all right there, and there's your back to your menu screen to clear whatever you want to clear if you don't want to have it on there. The Google Nexus 7 tablet customized with the Ubuntu app and the Elemental X custom kernel that allows you to double tap to wake and swipe to sleep. And we are going to be providing more reviews in the future. We'd love your feedback on how we can improve and get better. If you're interested in one of these devices, you can always go on eBay under AI Tech Solutions LLC, or you'll be able to check out our Facebook, Twitter, Instagram account. We'll be having those out to you shortly as well. That's again AI Tech Solutions LLC. Thanks, and have an excellent rest of your day. You gotta count me down. 1, 2, 3. Go. You can go. We're gonna... Adele here with the Google Nexus 7 tablet. Adele here with the Google. Adele here for AI Tech Solutions with a Google Nexus 7 tablet. We're going to be doing a full review, and we're going to talk about the customization that is available and how you can bring one of these babies to a house near you. And we're also going to talk about the features. And we're going to redo that. Okay.